Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix error code U000 in Minecraft. If you were trying to access the Minecraft marketplace, load your custom skins, or join a server, but you are instantly blocked by error U000, your game is experiencing a strict internet connection timeout. I will show you exactly how to bypass this network error and get back to playing right now. Let's get started. First, because error U000 is specifically a network authentication failure, your background Microsoft login session has likely fallen out of sync with the Mojang servers. Open your Minecraft settings from the main menu, navigate to the Account or Profile tab, and explicitly click the button to sign out of your Microsoft account. Close the game completely, relaunch it, and sign back in using your email and password. This forces the servers to grant your device a brand new security token, which frequently bypasses the U000 blockade entirely. Next, if your internet connection is stable, but the store and your character creator items are still refusing to load, the locally downloaded store files are deeply corrupted. Go back into your main Minecraft settings, scroll all the way down the left-hand sidebar, and click on the Storage tab. Locate and click the specific button labeled Clear Marketplace Cache and confirm the deletion. Restart your game to forcefully dump the broken temporary files and allow your client to securely pull a fresh, uncorrupted version of the store directly from the server. Finally, if the error continues on a Windows PC or console, your local home network is physically dropping the specific packets required to connect to the game servers. First, simply unplug your internet router from the wall for at least 30 seconds and plug it back in to acquire a fresh IP address. If you are playing on a Windows PC, open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click the command prompt, and run it as an administrator. Type ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter to instantly clear your corrupted network cache, which will permanently restore your game's ability to communicate with Minecraft. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.